For now, viewers, it's time to shift focus and look at what's happening in West Bengal. Now, SSC candidates in Kolkata are staging a massive protest demanding the release of a list of eligible and ineligible candidates after the West Bengal School Service Commission failed to meet its 21st April deadline. Now, the protests have escalated into scuffles with the police, who have heavily barricaded the West Bengal SSC Bhavan in the state's capital of Kolkata. Now, these protests are ongoing for a second day straight. In fact, joining me live from the heart of these protests is my colleague Ridhita, who will get us more details on the matter. Ridhita, a robust second day of continuous protests outside the SSC Bhavan by the distressed teachers. Talk to us about the demands and talk to us about what the environment around you looks like. Ridhita.
Absolutely, guys. So if you see what is happening at Karunamai Crossing, and we are here in front of the SSC Bhavan, and you can see that the teachers yesterday came around in the afternoon and they're still sitting. They're determined about their protest and they're still sitting here. I'll show you the view where thousands of teachers are still sitting here just waiting for justice, just to know that when will the SSC chairperson come down and answer the question of who is a deserving and an undeserving candidate. Last time when the Supreme Court had said that it is very difficult for the court to decide of who is a deserving and an undeserving candidates amongst the huge corruption that has happened in this SSC examination, in the teachers examination of SSC scam. So it is robustly difficult for them to find out who is deserving and who is not deserving. And after that, the state had asked CM Mamata Banerjee and her education minister had asked for 10 days of difference, and in 10 days also the council has not been able to come out with the list that they had promised to give out to the teachers. Yesterday they had promised from 4:30 onwards they would be giving first 4:30, then 6:40, then in the evening, and the night passed, and today at 9 a.m. we are standing in front of the Acharya Bhavan. You can see the Acharya Bhavan behind me. You can see the heavy deployment of police just to stop education. The heavy deployment of police we have been seeing for weeks after weeks, where this police beepman has been attacking the teachers. Even we had seen in Kojba, we had in fact seen last night that the police is attacking teachers who are come in demand of their rights, have come to get their jobs. I will just ask the police people if they're still instructed to attack those teachers today. Sir, are you still instructed to attack the teachers? Sir, कल रात में आपने अटैक किया था. Sir, are you still instructed? Sir, कौन सा इंस्ट्रक्शन था? सर, किसके तरफ से इंस्ट्रक्शन था? सर, सर, कुछ बोलोगे आप लोग? Sir, see, we are trying to speak to the police. Sir, I will go there and try and speak, because thousands of teachers are still sitting just to seek justice. Sir, किसका इंस्ट्रक्शन था सर कल टीचर्स को मारने के लिए? सर, कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन आया था सर? किसके तरफ से? Sir, you're here, sir. Yesterday the teachers were beaten. Last day also we have seen the teachers being beaten. So who instructed you to beat up the teachers? Sir, do you see that teachers are standing here? Sir, under whose instruction were you instructed to beat the teachers last night? Sir, in Kojba also we had seen last week. So who instructed to beat up the teachers? Are you also planning to throw tear gas at the teachers today or lathi charge the teachers? Sir. Exactly. I will reach up to the
বায়ো টয়লেটের ব্যবস্থা করা হয়েছে।
জিজ্ঞেস করুন, এখনো পর্যন্ত ম্যাডামদের একটা টয়লেটের ব্যবস্থা কেন করতে পারেনি? আইপিএস স্যারকে জিজ্ঞেস করুন, আমার
এক্স্যাক্টলি
স্যারকে জিজ্ঞেস করুন।
স্যার,
ম্যাডামদের কাছে রাত থেকে টয়লেট যেতে রয়েছি,
স্যার
আমি করতে পারছি না। জিজ্ঞেস করুন, স্যারকে জিজ্ঞেস করুন।
Sir, you are the sir, you are one of the heads heading the commission out here today, sir. Sir, can you answer that the teachers are demanding for a bio toilet? Why has that not been also answered? So you see that the teachers are asking for the basic demands to be served of bio toilets.
Not afraid of. They are indifferent to us.
So what is the bio toilets have still not been installed here. So what is your concern that is raising out here?
Concern is only for the female untainted teachers here, seated here, spent whole night under the open sky, but they are not able to use any kind of there is no availability of bio.
So how long have you been sitting here?
Until publishing the list, until publishing the separated lists or
So you will be
segregated
sitting
lists.
here. Sir, I will come to you, sir. How long? Since yesterday afternoon you all have gathered here. How long are you still planning to sit?
Up to the list published, whether they're eligible and non.
Has the SSC chairman come out and he has answered any of your questions?
Nothing. He is just not meet us. Whatever our queries, whatever our what we want to know, but he is not meet us. He does not fulfill us any necessity of us.
Any, what do you want to tell to the Chief Minister? Even she is involved. She has promised that the list would be out, but the list is still not out. What would you say on that?
What will I say to the Chief Minister? Nothing to say. Nothing to say today. The condition of us is very deplorable. So we all.
Sir, you are a teacher, sir. Did you expect a day?
The head of the all corruption. Chief Minister is the head of the all corruption. All corruption.
Sir, you all are teachers. Did you expect that one day you have to sit outside and ask for your rights for job?
No, I am not expecting that. Even there are many number of female teachers, and there are no availability of bio toilet, and there is no charging point and water dispenser, and there is no any other functions are available.
और कितना टाइम इंतजार करना पड़ेगा सर?
देखिए, हमारा सीधी मांग है, हमारा डिमांड है, वो जो वैलिड कैंडिडेट और इनवैलिड कैंडिडेट एसएससी 2016 जो पैनल असिस्टेंट टीचर्स एंड ग्रुप सी ग्रुप डी, उसका क्लियर कार्ड एक लिस्ट पब्लिश होना चाहिए अभी इस टाइम, एंड जो मिरर कॉपी है ओएमआर।
कल ब्रात्यो बसु ने टाइम दिया था, 10 दिन का समय मांगा था, उसके बाद कल भी बहुत टाइम दिया, पहले 4 बजे फिर 6 बजे, उसके बाद भी कुछ नहीं आया। कुछ आंसर्स है आप लोगों के पास?
देखिए, वो जो ब्रात्यो बसु एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर, उसका बातों में हमारा कोई विश्वास नहीं है। वो जस्ट लाइक ए कौन सी, हम उसको वैल्यू नहीं देता है, क्योंकि वो जो ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल श्रीमती ममता बंदोपाध्याय, उसका बात में दम नहीं है, वो मिथ्याचार कर रहा है। इसलिए ब्रात्यो बसु उसका हमारा कोई वैल्यू नहीं देता है, उसका बात छोड़िए। दूसरा कोई बात है तो पूछिए। हमारा सीधी बात, जो लोग आइडेंटिफाई है, वो जो टेंटेड सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट में, उसको अभी वो टर्मिनेट किया जाए। और जो मिरर इमेज है, वो छुपा है कालीघाट, वो जो ममता बनर्जी का जो खाट है ना बिस्तर, उसका अंदर छुपा है। वो 22 लाख ओएमआर मिरर कॉपी, उसको जरूर अभी वो पब्लिश होना चाहिए पब्लिक डोमेन में। क्यों ऐसा नहीं किया है ममता बनर्जी, हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर? क्योंकि उन्होंने ट्रूथ का सामना करना पड़ेगा। इतना करप्शन हुआ है, वो जो लोग जान जाएगा, पब्लिक देखेगा क्या किया है, उसका गोदी चला जाएगा। हम लोग सीधे मांग करते हैं, ममता बनर्जी, आवर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर, अगर हमारा वैलिड इनवैलिड लिस्ट आप नहीं दे पाएगा, वो ओएमआर मिरर को भी जो छुपा है कालीघाट में टाली तलाई खाट बिस्तर के अंदर, अगर आप नहीं दे पाएगा, जो लोग इलीगल, उसको टर्मिनेट कर नहीं पाएगा, आप छोड़ दीजिए। आपको कोई नैतिक अधिकार नहीं है। वो जो चेयर में आप 14 तला 59 उसका आप बैठे हैं, कोई अधिकार नहीं है, छोड़ दीजिए। हम लोग चलाएंगे पश्चिम बंगाल का वंचित जो टीचर है, हम लोग चलाएंगे। यही बात ममता बनर्जी का आप लोग पूछिए। ये योग्य शिक्षक आपको क्या कह रहा है ममता बनर्जी? हम लोग उसको करप्शन के खिलाफ वो लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए मोर्चा संभाल दिया। हम लोग लड़ेंगे सीधी आंख डाल के। ये बात जरूर कहना, ममता बंदोपाध्याय हमारा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल।
So you hear the rage in West Bengal at the moment, Gesu, where people have raged up, the teachers have raged up again, and they are demanding for justice, the justice that has been pending for years now. It is the 2016 panel that has been spoken about, and there has been more that where the justice has not been served to these teachers. And to protect these teachers and to not protect the people who are sitting in the chairs, to protect them, Mamata Banerjee and her leadership has deployed police. And we can see that the police is quiet about the matter. The police has still failed to install any bio toilets for women out here. The police has failed to protect or to carry on their duties, and yet the question still arises, why is the government still answerless? Why are teachers sitting on the roads?